Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be creating an unalome. I'm going to be using 18 gauge wire for this project. You can use 16 gauge, but I don't have any black 16 gauge available, so use any color or size you have. I'm going to leave it on the spool. I'm going to start at 1.5 inches from the top of the wire. Now I'll just go ahead and make a loop immediately at the top here. Just big enough for a rope or a chain to fit through. If we're going to wear it as a necklace. Then I'll come an inch down from that loop. Here, with my flat nose, I'm going to put a slight bend in the wire, like that. Then I'll take my round nose pliers, take the round nose, and just make a little curvature. Like that. I'm going to make a mark right here on my pliers, and that's going to be 2 millimeters down. That way all my circles will be uniform. Now from that point I come down to about half an inch and take the pliers and go around, making one complete circle turn. Then come down another ½ inch and do the same, but make the circle turn the opposite direction. Now just spread out a little bit longer this time. Instead of ½ inch, I'm going to come down to 3/4 inch. And I've erased the mark on my pliers because I'm going to make the circle bigger now. And just continue doing the same. Trying to make like a triangular shape coming down with increasingly larger circles. At this point, I think it's better just to use my fingers. I can maneuver it better that way, so that's what I'm going to do. So just continue with the circle coming around, back and forth. And I'll make an increasingly larger one on this side, and then this side. Alright, I want it to have 6 loops, and we have that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now on the bottom one, with the wire still connected and still holding the wire in your hand, I'm going to take it and just make a curve around. Make a curve around. Like that. And then I'm just going to cut it right here. This is about 1 inch from this circle here. So snip right here. And then I'll just take this wire and curve it in some more. And now I can continue using my pliers like that. And that's it for the shaping. Now I'm just gonna hammer it a little bit to stiffen it, and it should be good to go. I'm just gonna hammer off camera to stiffen it a bit. Just if you're doing it or you plan to do it, just make sure when you hammer you don't hit any of the cross sections, because you'll make bends in the back of your design. So just the curves are what I'm going to hammer, as well as this neck here. Okay, so I've hammered mine, and of course with hammering it spreads your piece out a little bit, so you can just readjust to the shape and size that you originally wanted. So there you have it, a nice Unalome necklace. Thank you for joining me for another episode of From Fee to You. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.